everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Killer car, guys. I bought it locally from a guy, super guy. He actually spent some money on this car. He bought the car, just a little something sticking on there. He bought the car locally. I think he bought it actually from the widow of an older man who had, I think he said he was the second owner on this car. But he bought it, I think it was around 2018, going by memory. I wrote some of this stuff down, so I'm trying to make sure I get it in the ad. And it was just an original Cutlass. Now, they had just rebuilt the engine. Matter of fact, he says there's 5,000 miles on the engine because he's put 1,000 on it. And then he just started playing with it. He had the car painted. It's this beautiful bright blue metallic. He put the white 442 stripes on it. No, it's not a 442. All new legendary white vinyl interior in it. Added air. Just redid the trans, he said, a year ago. You can see he's added the wheels and tires. There's our BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with 15-inch. It's got the gray center torque style wheel on it. Trying to think of everything he did. Most of the receipts are all in the trunk for this car too. That the money he spent on it. I think I said it, but he added air conditioning to the car. Most of the chrome and stainless and stuff like that is actually original, so you can pick it. But it's still really nice. Bumpers are original. He didn't replace those, so they kind of show their age. Paint was done in 2021, so 2 years ago. I think the first thing he said he did was the interior. I think that was 2019. And just stuff blowing around out here, guys. Dash is nice. All that interior is repadded, refoamed. Did a very nice job on that. I will tell you this, guys. This thing runs and drives excellent. These are one of my favorite things about Oldsmobiles, Buicks, Pontiacs. They drive awesome. I mean, they were just a better car than a Chevrolet. Car's got a great look. You can see that paint really pops. Draws a lot of attention. Good, solid, straight body. He did a body up restoration is what I would call it. Really left the undercarriage alone. He said he wanted it to drive. He wanted to be able to turn the key and go cruising. Brand new rubber, brand new wheels. I just had brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust on it. He had cherry bombs on it. Not a fan, guys. I am just not a fan of that exhaust. So I just had brand new flows put on it. That's just a little dust if you see that. Car sits good. It's got a great look. Like I said, hits the road outstanding. Disc brake car. That paint's pretty. It is the matching numbers engine. Again, they rebuilt it. It's got 5,000 miles on the engine. Trans was just done a year ago. He said there's hardly any miles on that. Edelbrock 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. He just did the vintage AC, chrome air cleaner and valve covers, HEI distributor. It's a 350 turbohydramatic trans. Of course, power steering, power disc brakes. He had everything done at a shop locally, and like I say, there's receipts in the trunk for it. I forgot to take a picture of it. It's not in the pictures, but I stuck it in there before the video. I forgot I had it in my desk. Not a whole lot to nitpick. I think there's a little touch-up mark here, and I saw one right there. But really, pretty car, man. and really the kind of car you just get in and turn the key and go cruise. It's got the dual body color mirrors. Again, original door handles. This is just a good, honest, straight car, guys. That's what it is. These have definitely been replaced. Door seams are nice and clean. Body's rock solid. I didn't see where they replaced any panels on the car. Those are the original sill plates. Door jambs are nice and clean. Factory bench seat car. Again, all that stuff's new. Headliner's in great shape. Sports steering wheel. Oh, this is another thing he did. It's got all brand new Dakotak gauge cluster, the analog gauges. Again, brand new vintage AC controls. It's got an aftermarket AM FM radio. Again, I just told you I put the new Flowmasters on it. It's a stock rear end 10 bolt. Like maybe the loudest truck ever. Just a stock gear, 323. Again, there's the receipts for everything he had done. Does have a spare, and it's just all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Car's clean, man, clean as can be. And the only reason he said he bought it. I think he bought a Trans Am, and he wanted to play with it. But he said it's been a great car. Again, pretty original underneath. He really didn't mess with anything under there. Floors look original, and they're solid. It's a clean car. Again, those door seams are nice and clean. Hopefully I can just shut this thing up. No, it's still going. Love the color combination. It pops. Got a pretty day to shoot it, of course. And man, we're gonna get. I put the new floor mats in it. As always, AAC loves me. I spend a ton of money every month with them. Good car. Cold. It's got a little exhaust leak on that side. That exhaust is brand new, so I'll check it. Maybe a little connection. I mean, we just had that done, so I don't remember that. So it's actually blown away. I bet you the little donut gaskets come loose. It's actually going away. I bet you it's just loose in there. Gauges are all functional. It's all working. 1,117 miles. Again, he said there's about 5,000 miles now on that engine. He's put 1,000 miles on it, he said. Great sound. Yeah, we'll check that ball. You see the backup lights work. I know that all works. You're on something. Amp error. I don't know. I know that all works. I'm not the best at working those things, but I know that one does work. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. That's a great car right there. Nice and straight. You know, if you want to spend any money on the car, you can put new bumpers on it. Definitely deserving of it. alone and drive it. It'll be a fun car right there.